is going on, guys? Average Joe Grows here, back again with a small video. But first, I just want to go ahead and give a special shout out. Today I hit 900 subs, although it doesn't seem like I have that big of an audience. If anyone is out there watching, I do appreciate, you guys peeping the whole garden thing. I didn't think that when I started this about half a year ago that I'd be getting anywhere near this amount of traffic, but I do appreciate it. But anyway, I just want to go over this right here. I went ahead and went to the store and bought some Epsom salts. I'd been doing a little bit of reading on what the benefits were for adding Epsom salts to your garden. And since I am growing, peppers and all sorts of other stuff, as well as, cannabis, I decided to incorporate this into my grows. So, right off the bat, it's a magnesium sulfate. Most peppers rely on magnesium and sulfur to fully go from, small seedlings to fruiting plants. It's pretty simple, I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon into this mix, and I went ahead and got all the chlorine out by aerating it with some air stones, and then from there I went ahead and added it to my spray bottle. But I added a full watering with about a gallon distributed among a couple plants. So now that that's in here and pH down to around 6.5, I'm just gonna go ahead and here's a pepper plant, here's a serrano. Just gonna water it down, and hopefully within a week or so we see the benefits of just exactly what Epsom salts can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and water all my pepper plants, just a little bit. As you can see, some of them are starting to bloom right there, so they'll be dropping pollen or blossoms, and I'm gonna just prepare them by increasing the sulfur and magnesium content, but overall they're looking pretty healthy. And then I transplanted this. I'm not too sure what kind of peppers these are. If you guys are watching, you guys can let me know. But I went ahead and added magnesium sulfate, and I actually transplanted this. I got the clovers all over to deter any hungry pests. And then last but not least, I have these ghost peppers, and they're actually not looking too good. I don't know what's going on, but I got all sorts of issues. I don't know if it's deficiency or excess. I've never grown ghost peppers. I'm not too familiar with the feedings, so I'm not too sure. If you guys can leave me some feedback down below, just let me know. Regiments for growing ghost peppers. I have yet to have one pollinated, but same deal. Just gonna water it. Magnesium sulfate, or Epsom salts. Add that, and then I also have these over here, these tiny ones. So I'll be watering all of them, just making sure they have a good drench, good boost of sulfur and magnesium, because I don't want them to get magnesium rot when they're starting to fruit like that. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any feedback or any experience using Epsom salts, just give me a quick rundown on how you've experienced with it. And then, last but not least, to get the full effect, got it in the soil. Next, I'm going to just spray them down so we can see the full benefits. I guess you should do this once every 2 weeks. This is my first time experimenting with it, so just gonna spray them down. But yeah, guys, hopefully I see some decent results. I'm gonna also spray this plant down. See what happens. I just transplanted this one. This is my own, little cutting, seedling, whatever you want to call it. plant which I've been working on. Got that even canopy, and it's starting to really look good. As you can see, I tied it down, topped multiple times. It's starting to do its thing, female, so we shall see. Next, I'm gonna go down to the ghost peppers, spray them down a little bit because I did add a decent amount. Last but not least, I'm going to get all the bell peppers. So I have all varieties of bell peppers. I have a California Beauty, a Big Bertha, right there. But I'm not too sure which one this is, but I guess it's just a general sweet green bell pepper. But like I said, I'm not too sure. Don't take my word for that. I went ahead and topped this, and I have pepper plants growing everywhere, as well as, fruits from my plants. But yeah, you guys have any feedback on Epsom salts, just let me know your experience with it down below. And like I said, I appreciate 900 subs. Didn't think I would ever get that far. Yeah, guys, that's about to cut it on the whole Epsom salts. I hope to see positive changes, but only time will tell. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you stopping by once again. Very grateful, 900 subs. And I will get back to you guys on the next update. I'm signing out. I hope you guys have a great day. And as always, be safe out there. Peace.